Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now I am again in front of you to practice speaking. Okay, and hope you are all are doing great. I am also doing great. And today I would like to share with you one topic is about my personal is okay. A few days ago my laptop display destroyed, so that's why yesterday I went to market to repair this. Okay, but I didn't get any kind of casing and also display, but I got display, but um, any kind of uh, casing I didn't get, so that's why I didn't repair it. And I'm right now I'm having problem because of my laptop, it is not having to me. Okay, so I have to repair so as soon as possible to make my all kind of things by laptop, because I edit my videos with my laptop, but right now I am editing my videos with my mobile phone. Okay, so it's very important using laptop nowadays. Okay, right now I am came in the blank of the canal. You can see it's small canal. Okay, behind me you can see it's very whenever rain come, that time it will this water improved more, it come in our road. Okay, so that time we are problem feel to walk in this road. So right now it's going on summer, that's why the water is flowing down. Okay, so I am right now I am practicing, that's why I am making these videos. Okay, you can see right now I am I have right now in the tree shade. Okay, Eh, behind me there are some trees, they are giving me shade. Okay, but also behind me there are one field big field in there, and there are very sunshine, that's why I didn't go there, I don't go there. Okay, so it's very hot, so I didn't tolerate the hot. I am very keen on to improve my English speaking, that's why I never miss to make videos every day. So, and also I practice every day with my friend, with my members, and also I have some special friend, they always practice, they also keen on to improve their fluency. So that's why I am practice with them every day to improve my fluency. Okay, you can do every day to improve your fluency and to build your confidence with your making videos. Okay, and I will suggest you can take some topic, and you can take 30 topic every day, not every day, but you can 30 topic, you will finish the topic gradually in 30 days. Okay, because the more you practice, the more you will feel confidence. Okay, so you will practice every day and to make your confidence. And I always make videos because to improve my fluency, you can do it every day. Okay, so I will come again in front of you with another new topic. Okay, till then you can don't forget to subscribe my channel.